Hey everybody, it's Kendra. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you've been here before. My video today is going to be a Thrive Market haul. Now, this video is actually combining 4 hauls that I did from Thrive Market. I've been ordering a lot of stuff recently from Thrive because I've just been out of stuff and I need to stock up on a few things. Actually, a lot of things, not a few things. So yeah, I am going to kind of group everything together. I'm going to tell you what I ordered like per order because every order, I think every order I have a free gift. The way Thrive works, usually for orders over $29 or $49 or $69, they have little special freebies. So I always try to get a good freebie that I'm actually interested in when I make an order. All right, first order. So my hubby's parents are actually coming to America this weekend. And we're going to be kind of having like picnics and we're going to be traveling a bit. So I wanted to have some food for them and like breakfast stuff and snacks and whatnot. So I picked up 2 things of granola for them. This Purely Elizabeth brand. Now this has oats in it. So I can't eat this one because oats hurt my tummy. But when I used to eat this, even though it did hurt my tummy, oh my gosh, it's so delicious. If you can eat oats, this granola is awesome. So I have the Cranberry Pecan and the, Cranberry Pecan Ancient Grain Granola, and then the Maple Walnut Probiotic Granola. Both of those are awesome. And then I did get 2 bags of the grain-free granola from Purely Elizabeth. So this is the Coconut Cashew grain-free granola. And I think I've had this one and it's super yum. I have to be careful with even the grain-free granola because it is so stinking addictive, and I'll eat the whole bag. Anywho, so I got those. Then a bottle of dish soap. You're gonna see a lot of dish soap generally if I'm like $2 or $3 away from hitting that mark for a freebie from Thrive. I just get a bottle of dish soap. Also, I got a ton of chocolate. So these ones were all, you had to buy 2. Like they'll only ship them, I think in the summer, Thrive will, if you buy a chocolate bar, you have to buy at least 2. And then they ship it in this cold pack bag, which I'll actually show you in a second because I got some other chocolate in a different order. So I got 2 of these Theo, I think it's Theo. This is the coconut dark chocolate, so 70% 70% dark chocolate. This is the Theo orange dark chocolate, again 70%. And then I did get 2 of these bars, but I've already eaten like 2/3 of one of them, so that's why I only am sharing one. This is the Theo salted almond dark chocolate. Oh, so good. Oh my gosh, that's one of my new faves. Love it. I also picked up a bag of this coarse Thrive Market brand Himalayan pink salt because I have a little grinder, like a little salt grinder, so I like to have that one to grind. And then for the freebie gift for this order, so they had a little kit, little picnic kit. So I got a thing of Simple Mills, fine ground sea salt almond flour crackers. These are gluten-free and I've had them and they are good. And then I got 2 cans of canned food. So I got the Wild Planet Wild Pink Salmon and then the Wild Planet roasted chicken breast. So I don't think I've ever actually tried canned chicken. And then finally with that, the other freebie was this Sir Kensington mayo, which I've had before, and that is very, very good. All right, order number 2. So when I made this order, they actually had a promo going where all of their products that were designated like Whole30 had an extra 30% off. So most of what I ordered was in that Whole30 category. And then I also did get a freebie gift. So first thing, I got a container of this Primal Kitchen Collagen Peptides. This is generally not the collagen I get. I generally just get the plain Jane Thrive Market brand one because it's way more affordable. But this one became a really good price with the 30% off. Plus, I have had this one before and I really, really like it. I find that the Primal Kitchen one dissolves into like juice the best. I mean, right now, whatever, I'm mainly just making smoothies and blending it in, so you know, having it dissolve into juice is not a big deal. But I have had that one before. Really, really like it. I also got, to go along with my granola for my in-laws, I got 2 things of almond milk. So I have the Califia Farms Barista blend. So then this is the unsweetened and this is the sweetened one. I've had both of these. I really like them. I think they're great quality. I try to stay away from boxed almond milks. I generally make my own, but just for the ease of traveling, I wanted to get a couple almond milks to go. Also in that Whole30 sale, they had this Safe Catch fish brand on promo. So I got 2 cans of the Safe Catch Elite. This is like skipjack tuna. And then I got a can of this pink salmon. I don't know if I've had canned pink salmon yet, or canned salmon at all, so we're gonna try that out. What do you know, I also got a thing of dish soap. That was not in the Whole30 sale. I got this thing of Good Food for Good ketchup. So this has no added sugar. It says sweetened only with dates. This was considered Whole30, but I'm not sure how thrilled Whole30 would be with actually having dates. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. It says it's paleo. I don't know if like old Melissa from Whole30 would be thrilled with that one. But anyway, always looking for a healthier sort of ketchup, so I thought I would try that. Okay, so that was everything that was in the Whole30 sale. I also picked up this Jarro's Formula Colostrum Prime Life. My naturopath told me about colostrum, and it's essentially like the milk that a mama cow would feed a baby cow, I think. And it's supposed to be very good for intestinal healing. So yeah, I've been taking this for a while, and I do feel like my tummy is kind of improving. I've also been told that this can be very good to help deal with food sensitivities, which I most certainly have. And then the final freebie I got in this order was this Kiss My Face Organics SPF 30 Mineral Sunscreen. I thought this was pretty good bargain. I was very happy to have this for free. Alrighty, my third order, I got a ton of salsa. I got 2 of these Green Mountain Gringo hot salsas, and then I also got 2 of the medium salsas. I have been on this salsa and blue chip kick. Oh my gosh. If I open one of these, like the worst thing I can do is open one of these, because if I open it, then I know it's open and I'm just like, salsa and blue chips. So I try to not stock blue chips in the house, because I won't just eat the salsa by itself. But this stuff, it's so good. It's very spicy, but it is awesome. Oh my gosh, what do you know? Another thing of dish soap. I do a lot of dishes, but I just figure, well, I could stock up. Anyway, as I have not mentioned before, this is called Ecos. So this is just plain Jane dish soap, no fragrance. They do have scented ones, but I like to just keep it simple. I also got a couple face products from the brand Acure. Oh, that's real bright. Holy cats. So this is the Acure Brilliantly Brightening Glowing Serum. I believe I have had this, but I believe they changed the packaging, so I'm not super sure if it's the same thing. I think it is, but I really liked that one. And then I got their night cream, and this is probably like my 4th tube of this. This is what I use at night, and I also use the Brilliantly Brightening day cream for my day cream. Really like those. Just trying to like clean up my beauty routine as much as I can. Also, I got a pack of gum. This is the Pure Wintergreen gum. Really like it. I actually just finished up my first bag of that. I got some other vitamins. So these are the Solaray Magnesium Glycinate. Naturopath also wants me taking this. Take this at night. It's supposed to help with like cramps and sleeping and all sorts of stuff. Like, our bodies are just kind of lacking magnesium these days, apparently. Okay, and then the freebie from this one is this Navitas Focus Daily Superfood Boost. So I believe this has all sorts of good stuff in it. Lucuma, maca, cacao, yerba mate, lion's mane mushroom, matcha, ashwagandha, acai, maki, and stevia. Basically all of those are, well, most of those are organic. So this is like stuff you put into a smoothie. I'm really excited to try that. Yum. And then how could I almost forget? I actually had chocolate. So if you order chocolate from Thrive Market in the summer, it comes in this giant bag, which seems like an excessive amount of packaging, but it's like this giant bag. I think this is like recycled, some type of recycled material. Anyway, you get this. And then inside there is an ice pack in one of these bags, and then your chocolate. So this is my favorite chocolate. This is the Hue Kitchen cacao butter and pure vanilla bean dark chocolate. So good. So I knew I needed to have a couple of these when the in-laws were here. so I could have them taste my awesome chocolate. Holy cats, we are almost done, finally. Yikes, this is so much stuff. All right, and finally, last order. So as I said, we are going to be doing some traveling with my in-laws. We're going to be doing a couple picnics. So I wanted to get some biodegradable, compostable paper plates. So I got a big pack of these repurpose. So these are paper plates, they're 29-inch plates. Then I also got some of the small ones. There are also 26-inch plates and then 20 bowls, all from the same company. And then also some silverware. So this has, yeah, 24 utensils. So all of those are biodegradable, BPA-free, compostable, all that. So yay, keep our environment clean. Also got another one of these Collegio Farms Barista blend almond milks. Just wanted to make sure I had enough of that stuff. Also got a Dr. Bronner's peppermint toothpaste. I love these Dr. Bronner's toothpaste. I go between the peppermint and the cinnamon. I think they're my favorite fluoride-free toothpaste. I just love them. Also picked up one of these giant refills for hand soap, the Mrs. Meyer's. What flavor are you? Lemon verbena. Really like that one. I've got some cute little glass hand soap pumpies from IKEA all around the house. So I've just been buying refills. Also picked up this hand sanitizer gel to put in the car. So this is by the brand Everyone. And this is their hand sanitizer gel, coconut and lemon. I really want to see what this smells like. Oh yeah, it smells nice. Kind of has that like hand sanitizer-y smell. Yeah, ethanol. There you go. That's what it smells like. Got that to put in the car. Also from this Everyone brand, I picked up a big jar of their unscented lotion. I wanted to have this for in the bathroom where my in-laws are staying in case they need like a body lotion. I'm such a nice daughter-in-law, aren't I? Also, I picked up a whole bunch of Chap Sticks because frankly, I feel like I don't know what I do with them. I just lose tons of Chap Sticks. So I've been meaning to pick some up. So I got 2 of the Dr. Bronner's peppermint ones. And these are really nice. I actually opened one of these this morning and tried it out and it was very good. So I got 2 of the peppermints and then 2 of the naked ones. So those guys are unscented. And then finally, my freebie for this one was this. So it's the Elixir Brain Fuel with Royal Jelly. So this is something, I don't know, it's these little tubes of stuff, I guess. So I think you just drink it. As a dietary supplement, adults take 1 vial daily or is directed by a healthcare professional. But I think like they sell packs of 6 of these for like 25 bucks on Thrive. So it seemed like a pretty fun thing to try. I will give that a little whirl. All right, and finally, the best thing about Thrive Market really has to be their boxes because my little kitties love them. Alrighty, so there you go. That's what I picked up from my most recent 4 orders from Thrive Market. Super excited to get into some of this stuff. These boxes have just kind of been sitting around my apartment waiting for me to film. So now I'm excited I can eat all my chocolate. Also, if you are interested in Thrive Market and are not yet a member, I will leave a link down below in case you are interested in trying it out. And I believe my link gives you 25% off, an extra 25% off your first order. So anywho, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.